What do sneakers and smartphones have in common? Well, they both have fans that love them. I'm best friends. Today I'm going to be showing you the latest fan edition device from Samsung, the Galaxy S23 FE. Hi, I'm Captain Awesome and this is Geekception. I would really appreciate if you leave a like and comment as it really helps this channel. I'm at Sneakerlah, a sneakerhead event that's happening at Maytech in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, but I am not here for sneakers. I'm here for the new Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, or Fan Edition as they call it. I got to play with it for a little while. Let's see what it can do. The first thing that caught my eye was the design. The Galaxy S23 FE has a sleek and premium look that has IP68 water and dust resistance. It also comes in several color options. The display here is a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. This means it automatically adjusts to the content playing on the screen. Under the hood, the Galaxy S23 FE is powered by an Exynos 2200 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of storage. It also has a 4500 mAh battery that supports fast charging, loaded with Android 13. Now let's talk about cameras. The Galaxy S23 FE has 3 cameras on the back: a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 50 megapixel main lens, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Going up front, and there's a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Samsung even has a section to let you test the low light photos on the S23 FE in a special nightography section. And here at Sneakerlah, they also showed me some of the accessories for the Galaxy S23 FE, like these cases that match the color of the phone. And if you're wondering how much it costs, well, it retails for 2,999 ringgit for the 128 gig version and 3,299 for the 256 gig version. But there's a fan promo now, I believe, where you can get it for a bit cheaper. What do you think of the Galaxy S23 FE? Do you like it? Do you want it? Let me know in the comments down below. And as you can see, Samsung has given me a sample of this for review, so please don't be shy. Ask me all the questions you have. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And as always, I've been your Captain of Awesome. This is Geekception, and I am from Nigeria with love.